How to create pixel in Facebook ads. If you want to run Facebook ads effectively, creating a Facebook pixel is a must. A Facebook pixel is a tracking tool that helps you measure ad performance, track website visitors, and optimize your ad campaigns. Simply in this tutorial, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process of setting up your pixel in just a few minutes. And so, before we head over into our step-by-step guide, all of the mentioned tools are going to be on the description box below, so make sure to check them out. Now, simply first things first, you want to head over to your Meta Business Suite. From there, it will then take us to our dashboard on which we can set up different types of action like our ads, your audiences, the advertising settings, and more. Now simply inside, you then want to click on the Events Manager, but in case you cannot go ahead and see it right here, it will then be located inside the All Tools button. Inside All Tools, you want to navigate through the Events Manager. You can also go ahead and click on the Meta Business Suite button right here. It will then take you to the main page of the Meta Business Suite, not just inside the Ads Manager. And simply from here, you then want to click on the All Tools button. Inside All Tools, you can then go ahead and see the Events Manager tab. Now inside the Events Manager, just wait for your page to load in right here. And you also want to make sure that you already have set up your Shopify account. Inside, you then have this dashboard on which we have to click on the data sources. Simply inside, we have two options to go ahead and choose from, which is the install manually or to check the partners for Facebook Pixel. In here, you want to click on the continue to pixel setup. And as I've said earlier, you have two options, which is to manually add pixel codes to the website or use partner integration. Now for installing the manual add pixel code, you can just go ahead and follow the guided installation instructions with detailed developer documentations or email instructions to your developer, or you can then choose the partner integration. Check if your website is eligible for integration with one of the supported partners like Shopify, WordPress, and more. And simply right here, using a partner integration is way easier than manually adding pixel codes into our website. Now, if you then want to go ahead and follow through with this method, you can just go ahead and click on the Learn More button. And from here, you will be able to basically install the pixel into your website. But to go ahead and make things easier, let's just click on the Use Partner Integrations right here, because it will be less hassle for us business owners to go ahead and set up our Facebook pixel. From here, let's just go ahead and say that you are running an e-commerce store, and some of these stores right here include BigCommerce, Shopify, and something like Wix, WordPress. You can then go ahead and click on the See All Partners button to basically view all of the partners right here that you can go ahead and install Facebook Pixel on. Now in this tutorial, we are going to be focusing on Shopify because it's one of the most popular e-commerce store out there. So we can just click on the Shopify button right here. And so from here, you simply want to connect your Shopify account. Click on the Connect Account. And right after that, we will then see this pop-up window. We simply want to select our data set, so you then click on the Next button. And right after that, we then have to connect our account to Shopify. Basically, this will install the Facebook and Instagram sales channel into the extension of Shopify. Click on the Go to the Shopify button. And simply right here, let's click on the Install button. Wait for the extension to install into our account. Confirm the installation by clicking on the Install once more. And from there, Facebook will simply have an access to view our customers and the data that we have gotten into our Shopify account right here. Right after that, you simply want to navigate back to the page of Facebook right here. Click on the Next button. And right after that, we then have to verify that our pixel is working. Verify your pixel is working by sending test traffic to your website. This may take several minutes if your status doesn't change to active. Sending test traffic to check to make sure that you have followed previous instructions correctly. In here, we then have to simply go ahead and verify the pixel if it is working. So basically inside our Shopify, let's just go ahead and navigate through our URL right here. Copy your URL from Shopify, and from there, let's go back to Facebook and send the traffic test right here. Right after that, we are now navigated back to our Shopify account on which we have to send some data into our Facebook. Now, in order for Facebook to go ahead and know our website right here, you can then go ahead and click on some products of yours, or you can even go ahead and subscribe through your email if you want to. Basically, this will send data to Facebook that a random user or people have been interested in your website right here. So after messing with your website, you can just navigate back to your Facebook, and right after that, it will then states that it is working for our pixel. So you can then go ahead and click on the next button. Now, unfortunately, my Shopify right here isn't set up properly. This is just the demo website that I have from Shopify, so it will not go ahead and state inside right here. But all you have to do is to click on the next button, and then you have to confirm this option once more, and from there you will be able to simply set up your Facebook pixel to your Shopify. Now, you then want to set up standard events for your Shopify tracking. Now, to track key customers action, you want to set up Facebook standard events like the page view. So this is basically when someone views your website. You then want to set up the view content when someone views a product, add to cart when a user adds a product to their cart, initiate checkout when someone starts the checkout process, and lastly, purchase when a user completes a purchase. Shopify automatically tracks this event when Facebook pixel is installed correctly. And basically right after that, we can then enable the advanced matching. It's optional but recommended. Now in Facebook, let's navigate back to the events manager, and from here we then want to select our pixel. Now unfortunately, I have not successfully binded my pixel to my Shopify account right here because this is just the demo account. Now right after selecting your pixel, you then want to click on the advanced matching inside the settings of that specific pixel. Turn on the automatic advanced matching to track customer data like emails and phone numbers for better retargeting. Basically, this improves your ad performance by matching more conversions to Facebook users. From there, you can then test your Facebook ads with your new pixel. Now, you can then create retargeting ads for visitors who didn't complete their purchases, set up lookalike audience to find more people that go ahead and look like your customer, and lastly, you can then track ad performance with conversion data. Now in conclusion, setting up a Facebook pixel for Shopify is essential for running profitable Facebook ads. This simply tracks user behavior, optimize ad performance, and improve targeting. You then want to follow these steps carefully to ensure your Facebook pixel is correctly installed and tracking events. If you found this guide helpful, drop a like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments if you need more Facebook ads tutorial. And as always, thanks for watching.